You can easily earn $10 per day in passive income using this app, which is available globally. The best part is that it offers various payment methods tailored to your country. For example, if you are in the US, there are multiple payment options as shown on your screen. In Canada, you can be paid via Bitcoin, PayPal, Visa, or Amazon gift cards. In the UK, you can also be paid through Google Play gift cards and others. People from India, Bangladesh, Nigeria, South Africa, Pakistan, or anywhere else, you can also access a variety of payment methods including Bitcoin and Visa gift cards. To keep these videos relevant, comment your country below. I will create more content tailored for viewers like you. Don't forget to like this video and help it reach 1000 likes. Now let's dive into how to get started with this app. The app is called Pawns.app. You'll find the link in the description below or pinned in the comments. Pawns.app allows you to earn $10 per day by simply sharing your unused internet or completing surveys. It works on Android, iOS, and both laptops and computers, so you can use it across multiple devices. To sign up, just use your Google or Apple account and you'll be greeted with a dashboard. Pawns.app has over 4.4 stars on Trustpilot from thousands of users worldwide. You can earn passive income by sharing your unused internet bandwidth. The app compensates you for sharing as little as 1 GB of data with rates of 0.20 per GB. There is a bonus trick to earning that lazily for $10 daily, which I will reveal later, so stick around. Pawns.app only uses your internet for research purposes and none of your personal data is accessed. Approved by Google, Apple, and Microsoft, it is a secure app. You only need $5 to make your first withdrawal and users can earn on average $12. With over 4 million users and $3.8 million paid out in 2023 alone, it is clear that Pawns.app is a legitimate income stream. To maximize your earnings, install the app on all of your devices, laptops, phones, and tablets, and share your internet data across them. This can help you earn double or even triple what would you have done with just one device. Another way to earn on Pawns.app is by completing paid surveys. These surveys typically take between 10 to 20 minutes and can pay from a few cents to $5, depending on the survey and your country. Select the highest payout option to maximize your income, and over time you will unlock higher paying surveys, especially if you are in a more developed country. Additionally, you can make money by playing games through Pawns.app. Simply install games, complete the levels required, and earn from $10 to $100 per game. The easiest way to earn $10 per day is by referring friends. Send your referral link to others, and when they sign up, they will receive a $1 bonus. Every time they cash out, you will earn $1 plus 10% of their payout. If 10 people earn $10 daily, you will passively make $10 just from referrals. If you don't want to refer friends, you can post your referral link in Facebook groups focused on making money online. Find Pawns.app withdrawal proof images via Google and share them in these groups to attract referrals. Pawns.app also has a weekly leaderboard where top earners can win up to $150 or $100 or even $50. The app is 100% secure with all traffic encrypted and doesn't access your personal data, so don't be scared. Plus, if you sign up using the link in this video, you will also get $1 sign up bonus. But this offer won't last, so go ahead and register today. And that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your family and friends or anyone else in need of how they can make money online passively.